Have you ever wished you could open apps or perform actions on your iPhone just by saying a custom phrase? With iOS 26, you can do exactly that using vocal shortcuts. This feature lets you create personalized voice commands that trigger system actions instantly. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to create, edit, and delete vocal shortcuts step by step. Let's dive in. First, open Settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll down to the speech section and tap Vocal Shortcuts. Next, tap Setup Vocal Shortcuts, then tap Continue. Choose your preferred action. For this example, we'll select Camera under System. Now add a custom phrase by typing it in the text field. Let's type Open Camera. Once you're done, tap Next. Now, train your iPhone to recognize the phrase by saying it 3 times clearly. When finished, tap Continue to save. You'll then be asked if you'd like to share this data with Apple to improve assistive voice features. Choose whichever option works best for you. The new vocal shortcut is now listed under Actions. To add more, just tap Add Action and repeat the process for each new phrase. If you need to edit or delete one, tap Edit in the top right corner. This enables edit mode, where you'll see a minus icon next to each shortcut. Tap it, then hit Delete to remove the action. For example, deleting the camera shortcut will remove that phrase entirely. Once you're done, tap the blue check icon in the top right corner to save changes. And if you no longer want to use vocal shortcuts at all, simply toggle the switch off. Don't worry, the rest of your saved shortcuts will remain in the list and will be ready to use again if you turn the feature back on. And that's it. With vocal shortcuts in iOS 26, you can control your iPhone in a way that feels personal and faster than ever. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like and check out my other tutorials to discover even more hidden iPhone features. Thanks for watching.